We'll guide you through how to review Wix effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Wix website. Log in to your Wix account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard. Here, you can access all the websites you've created or are working on. To review a specific site, click on the Site Actions button next to the website you want to evaluate. This will open up a drop-down menu where you can select Edit Site or View Site. If you're looking to see how your site appears to visitors, click on View Site. This opens your website in a new tab, allowing you to see it as a visitor would. Take note of the design, layout, and any elements you might want to change. If you need to make edits, head back to the dashboard, click on Edit Site, and you'll be taken to the Wix editor. Here, you can modify text, images, and other content elements. Use the preview function within the editor to see changes in real time. Don't forget to check your site's responsiveness by using the Mobile View option in the editor. This ensures your site looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. Once satisfied, publish your changes so they go live. Reviewing your site periodically helps keep it fresh and relevant. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.